Wait! Oh my God! She ate. She delivered. She ate and left no crumbs. Konnichiwa! This is your T2MN in Japan and welcome to another reaction video. Let's go! Magandang araw po. Hello to everybody watching around the world. Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for the support that I've been getting recently. As a new reactor, I've been vlogging for a long time, pero I stopped, but then I started doing reaction videos of SB19. And as I have said, I've been doing the reaction videos because I really love SB19. And I'm just grateful for all the reactions to my reactions and to all the support and to all the requests to react more. And syempre, coming soon, more reactions to SB19 videos. But today, I am going to react to another special request from a special someone. I will be reacting to a video of Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid singing Ulit Ulit, the theme song from ABS-CBN Entertainment's new series, drama series. I don't know, it's drama suspense series called Pamilya Sagrado. Syempre, Miss Regine Velasquez needs no introduction. And also, as an 18, as an SB19 fan, I know na makaka-relate din kayo sa akin at sa iba pang mga fans when we say that Miss Regine Velasquez is somebody very close to 18 as well, because she is also an icon and an inspiration of SB19, especially our Asia song, Birdie, Stel Ahero, di ba? So, today, magre-react tayo sa kanyang bagong kanta, okay? At wag na natin patagalin. Let's go! Let's do this! It's also my first time to react to her video and first time to see the video of the song. Although I've heard the song before, pero ngayon ko lang mapapanood yung music video ng kinanta niya yon ng live sa ASAP Natin To. Let's do this! Grabe.
Sabi mo, hindi ako masasaktan ni naman. Sabi mo, sa'yo ako magtiwala lang at gawing sandal kahit ang patay nakapiling. Ang kamay mo'y hinawakan pa rin.
Let's take a moment to pause. You know what is so good about Miss Regine? Everybody knows how good of a belter she is. And for the longest time, people have always expected her to belt out songs. But not a lot of people realize, or I don't know, appreciate how good her small nuances are. Especially in the beginning of the song, how she sings while telling a story. She's so effective at singing and telling a story, especially with her soft tones. At lalo na kapag kumakanta siya in Tagalog. So I really love Regine's Tagalog songs. I know she's coming out with an album, Reginified, soon, where she's going to do covers, her own version of some songs. But I hope she does an all-original, a lot of Tagalog songs again, because she's so good at it. I know you agree. Let's continue.
Wala akong maaninag na kay dilim, pati nala mo ko kung saan pala'y masasaktan. Walang usapang ganito, o bakit nagtiwala sa tulad mong walang hiyak talagang sinabi mo, mahal mo ako. Paulit-ulit ding nasasaktan. Ulit-ulit ding nasasaktan.
Alam niyo, kung mapapansin niyo, pag nakikinig ako ng SB19 songs, yung madaldal ako kasi habang nagpi-play yung song, ang dami kong reaction. Dito kay Miss Regine, talagang dinanamnam ko lang talaga yung song. Imagine yung, hindi naman ako nasasaktan ngayon. Okay naman yung puso ko, pero nasasaktan ako ni Miss Regine. Ganyan siya. Mapanakit siya. I really love the expression. Let's continue. And also, another tatak Regine is that how her song progresses, di ba? From the soft tones, para siyang kwento talaga na merong rising action. And now that rising action comes next. Action! Action. Here we go.
Sabi ko, magtitiwala na sa'yo. Mali ako.
Mali ka talaga doon.
Sabi ko, mapapatawad din kita. Ang hirap pala.
Sa mga martir.
Yung nawala ng piring. Liwanag sumilang pinag. Nakita ko ng lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin.
Diba?
Ba't hinala mo ko kung saan? Alam mong masasaktan.
Sakit! Ang sakit!
Wala ko sa panggaling ko. O bakit nagtiwala? Sa tulad mo, walang hiya talagang sinabi mo. Mahal mo ako. Paulit-ulit ding nasasaktan. Ulit-ulit ding nasasaktan.
Tama na, Miss Reg. Paulit-ulit. Grabe, no? Ganun siya. That's how I appreciate Regine Velasquez's songs so much, especially her Tagalog ones. Pero, isa pang quality ngayon na nagustuhan ko kay Miss Reg, yung, she said that her voice has changed. And when it reached a certain part of the song, you will know that her voice has changed. Kasi sa soft tones, parang pareho pa naman ng dati. Pero kapag nag-reach siya ng high notes, it has become more raspy. You know, it has become more raspy. And she acknowledges this. And I actually like it better now. Because it lends itself to so many different genres, especially rock. I'm sure kung mga Reginian kayo, napanood nyo na yung Regine Rocks ng maraming beses. Kagaya na nag-request ng kanta na to, ng reaction video na to. Napanood nyo na yung Regine Rocks ng 2 beses. And her new voice, ika nga, lends itself to the rock genre. Let's continue!
Dahiling sabi, ayaw ko na. Ngunit ang hirap gawin dahil minahal kita. Kay daling sabihin na aalis ka lang. Ngunit paano kung ikaw ang tahanan? Ang lahat may hangganan.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Walang hiya talaga. Woo! Wait! Oh my God! She did that! That's amazing! Ito yung sinasabi ng mga tao na nag-whistle siya. Actually, hindi naman siya whistle. Head tone siya, mataas na head tone. Alam niyo ba when you try to reach that high note, masakit siya sa ulo. Literally, it's a head tone kasi you're parang the feeling is getting the note from the head. Kasi kailangan mataas siya. Grabe, ang galing ni Miss Red. Ang hirap nung kanta na to, ha. Nahirapan ba kayo? Nahirapan ako eh. Kasi ang bilis eh. Ang daming syllable sa isang line. Ang bilis. Tuloy na natin to. I'm speechless. Teka, ibalik natin ng konti. Girl. Girl.
Wala mo sa bang ganito.
Oo nga naman.
O bakit nagtiba sa tulad mo?
girl, the lola mo, the Regine, sabi nga ng mga Gen Z, she ate. Ano ba sabi ng mga millennials? She delivered. Yeah? She ate and left no crumbs, literally. Like, she was sitting down, she was relaxed, but she was not holding back. That is Regine Velasquez Alcacid for you. What else can we ask for? What else can we say? I mean, she needs no introduction and she needs no critique because she has been a powerful force to reckon with in the Philippine music industry, and that is Regine for you. That head tone at her age is so beautiful. She still looks very young and she can still hit those high notes. She has been taking care of herself so well and her voice so well. So we definitely admire Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Ayun lang, di ba? Ano ba bang masasabi nyo? Ang sakit nung ano na yun nung kanta na yun for the people who continuously tolerate the behavior of their loved ones. Mga bakla kayo ng taon. Tama na! Wag na kayong magstay sa isang relationship na toxic. Naging advice show? Bakit ganon? Naging love advice ito. Anyway, thank you so much for being with me again in this reaction video. If there are some reaction videos that you would like me to make, kagaya nga nito, has been requested by a very special person. If there are some reaction videos to SB19, Regine, or any other artist that you would like me to make and to comment on, please do message down below. Message down below sa comment section, or you can also reach me on my Instagram at emanmega. Soon I will also change that para lahat ng social media platforms natin pare-pareho na ng handle. But for now, you can reach me at emanmega. And please do let me know what else you want me to react next time. Pero susunod, we are going to be reacting again to another SB19 video. Abangan nyo yan. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much, guys. And see you again next time. Arigatou gozaimashita. Sayonara.